the three things, the fundamental things, dosto, the fundamental things to handle the people are to, while dealing with the people, the fundamental techniques in handling people, three things I told. Three things I told. The first one, repeatedly I'm telling, better to inject very strongly in your body. If you are getting the chance to criticize someone, if you are getting the chance to blame someone or to scold someone, don't utilize that opportunity, because no one is going to accept their mistakes. Everyone has their own reasons are there. Okay, like that. So criticism, blaming, scolding, such type of things is completely waste kind of things. Clear, right? First one. The second important thing, if you are getting the chance to appreciate someone, if you are getting the chance to appreciate someone, compulsory, we require to utilize that opportunity, because everyone, okay, in the world, everyone eagerly waiting for appreciation. Okay, even if you are not going to take the food, no physical food, no problem at all, you can say. But if you are not taking that emotional food means this one, appreciation, then obviously they will become mad, they will become crazy. Okay, remember. So you have to give the importance. You require to appreciate the person. We require to appreciate that person for small things also. So don't find the mistakes. Don't see the mistakes. Don't see the weaknesses. Don't see the negative side of the coin. Only see the positive side of the coin. Even that person is the very worst. At least one good thing is there. At least one good thing is there to appreciate. Better to identify that good thing and appreciate. If you are using negative, scolding, okay, scolding always, criticizing always, the thing what you are giving, the same thing will come in reverse with multiplication. Remember that. If you are criticizing, the same thing will come with the multiplication. Okay, if you scold, the same thing will come with the multiplication. Okay, this one compulsory you people should require to use. The most valuable point, dosto, appreciation is the biggest medicine, biggest weapon you require to use like anything. Identify positive thing and at least one positive thing and appreciate that person. Small reason is enough to appreciate, but compulsory that appreciation should be from the heart, sincerely, genuinely. You require heartful way. You require to appreciate. These are the two things we covered. Okay. The third point we started. What is the third point? So the person who can do this activity, the total world is always with you. The person who is unable to do this activity, that person will become, okay, alone. What is the activity? What is that activity is always think from opposite person perspective. Always think from opposite person perspective. What is the desires? What is wishes? What is goals? Okay. If you help him to fulfill those, obviously our work is going to be completed. Okay. So identify their desires, align those desires with our work, then win-to-win situation, both the things are going to be completed. Okay, that thing must be required. That's why. So don't use the word I want this, I need this, I want this, I need this, I ordered. You require to do such a type of nonsense. Remove from your daily routine. I hope it's clear. I told multiple examples. Cow example I told, fish example I told. For the fish the people are using. So for the fish, what fish required? What fish required? We have to carry that. Then only fish is going to come. Instead of that, okay, I like strawberries or I like biryani, then automatically strawberries or biryani I will bring. The fishes won't come. To the hook, you require to use worms, earthworms. Then only the fish is going to come. Okay, so instead of that, I like strawberry, man. I want to hook strawberry to the hook. Then automatically fish, it won't come. That's why instead of thinking what I want, what I need, what my requirement, so instead of that, better to think about what he required, what is his wish, what is his goal. Okay, so try to help them to fulfill. Obviously, your work is also by default is going to be completed. wonderful technique, man. If you're really going to use, multiple changes by default will be there in your lifestyle. I'm sure. Okay. Here I is the secondary. Opposite person is the primary. I told right? One telephone, 500 phone calls analyzer, man. 500 phone call conversations analyzer. In the 500 phone calls, one word repeatedly coming here. I, me, myself. Do you know how many times this word is coming? 3,900 times. 3,900 times. Only one word, I, my requirement, my need. Okay? This type of thing. Think about opposite person. Then obviously the things are going to work out.